my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, unicorn nail. Got my tip all buffed and ready to go. I am flying solo today, so I've got no Sam or no Katie for my models. I was going to work on myself, but that hasn't happened. It's fine. I've got some pretty tips to work on. So I'm working with the Fairy Garden collection today. The gorgeous spring colours. So lucky with Nailchemy. You've got the Fairy Garden collection and you've also got the, what's it called? Flower Power collection. I love the Flower Power collection. So I've gone in with violet, that's the purple. And then this one is orchid. I'm going to do a tricolour ombre. And then let's go for some cornflower. Beautiful blue. We'll do that on the tip down here. So we're going to do 2 coats of this. So that helps build up blue hair. Whose blue hair is that? Certainly not my blue hair. I'm using my ombre brush. And we're just going to start blending these colours together. So you're going to need a little bit of tissue just to keep wiping your excess off. We're going to be using maybe Witchcraft on this. So don't worry about your ombre being absolutely perfect. But we will get a nice fade just in the background. Keep wiping your brush off. They go nice together, don't they? I think maybe that orchid is a little bit strong, but it's going to look beautiful. Fabulous. That looks pretty decent. That'll do. This is just your background, so don't stress about it too much. We all know how tricky ombres can be. So I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a mother fluffer. Mother lover. Just knocked it on the side of the lamp. I hate it when clients do that, and I've just gone and done it. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we are fresh out the lamp. And I'm going to come in with the wonder that is witchcraft. Look at this. So this is so heavily pigmented with your holographic sparkle that it will hide any imperfections from your ombre. Look at that. So would you believe I've had witchcraft on my shelf for 2 weeks? And this is the first time I'm using it. Right, so witchcraft is actually magnetic, which makes it all the more exciting. I don't think I'm going to use the magnetic effect on it today, but look at that. I don't know if you can actually pick that up. Oh, a little bit. You can get it a little bit. Yeah. So I'm not using the magnetic effect on it today. But I just wanted to show you how pretty that is. I can't wait to see this in the sunlight. If at any point you don't like the magnetic effect that you've done, just literally get the brush and run back over it. You don't need to put more polish on. Just run back over it and it will give you that full cover holographic beautifulness again. Right, so pop that into the lamp for a full cure. And then I'm going to be creating the actual horn of a unicorn. Now, in an ideal world, I would use Crystal Totalis. In an ideal world, I'd know where my Crystal Totalis was. I did some training with some students a couple of days ago and I packed it away in my kit and I don't know what I've done with it. I'm hoping I've not left it at their academy. So as a substitute, I'm going to be using the glass fibre gel. So this is a really nice, oh God, hang on a minute. Can't speak, I've got something in my mouth. This is a really nice thick consistency that it's going to allow you to, move that out of the way, allow you to create this 3D effect. But your Crystal Totalis would do the same job. So I tend to always start in the middle of the nail and then work my way to the edges. So I'm going to add a little bit of curve to this. Get my first one in, and then I'm just going to give that a quick flash cure. Just a couple of seconds on each bit. It's going to lock it in place, stop it moving about a bit. And then I'll start adding some height to these. Right, so flash cured. Keep coming back into your fibre gel. I'm going to go over that one again just to add a little bit more height. Like so. And then I'm going to work up and down the nail, just following that curve. Don't want too much on my brush. If at any point you need to flash cure, go for it. So there's all sorts of things that you can do with a unicorn horn. You can add pigments and chromes in on that, all under the section that we're doing now, this 3D element. You can do all sorts, and obviously use any colours that you want. So many different effects that you can get with essentially the same design. You don't have to do a curve to this either. You can do nice straight lines. Get all different effects going on. Don't forget to keep flash curing. Ugh. But really try and get a good amount of height on each section, because when we top coat at the end you will lose some of that definition. So go over each bit a couple of times. Just build up that design. This is looking so good. I love that witchcraft underneath. I'm going to go in, I think when we finish I'll take this outside because the sun is shining so bright today. It makes me happy when the sun's shining. So it's going to look super, super holographic. Super sparkly. Right, so I think we've got room for maybe 2 more here. Give that a flash cure and add a little bit more height. Oh, I love it so much already. These nails make me so happy. Anything with spring colours on. Oh, what are we at now? What's the date today? 7th or 8th of March or something. So we've only got a couple of weeks left of winter. Not that you'd know that looking out the window today. It looks bloody beautiful. Still cold out there though. And the clocks are going back. Going back or going forward? Going back, I think. Always confuses me. Thank God these days our phones do it themselves, don't they? Right, I'm happy with that. So let's get that in for a full cure. Oh, look at that. Right, top coat time, baby. Right, so very careful with your top coat. Don't go too heavy on it. We need to make sure that we're getting all the way in these grooves and trying not to flood. So if you were to come down the nail like this, what you'll end up doing is flooding in between each section. And then you'll kind of lose the effect. Oh my God, look at this nail. I love it so much. Yes. Oh, look at that. Right, let's give this a cure and then let's take it outside. So this is how the nail looks inside. And look at it outside. How sparkly is that? I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.